What are the big market moving events this week?
Well, basically, there aren't many really big ones. We will look closely at the last monetary policy statement from the meeting of the Reserve Bank. We'll be reading between the lines, but I'm not expecting to see anything. We haven't seen much for 12 months, and basically that sort of parallels the fact that inflation hasn't done much over that period of time. It's improved, but not enough to bring interest rates down. Also, mate, there's a lot of purchasing managing indexes right around the world. They're always looked at very closely. But I think the really big issue, mate, to look at is, will the US get more data that suggests that the economy is stronger than expected? If that's the case, what happens is they'll start reducing the number of expected interest rate falls, and that could hurt the stock market. So really good news on the US economy could be really bad news for the stock market.
Interesting. Peter, you've been poring over the minutes. What are the other big takeaways from the last RBA meeting?
Well, I think the bottom line is they are just preoccupied with the fact that there's this services inflation rate that is, if you look at what's happened to inflation for goods, it's really tumbling. It's doing the right work. But the flip side is on services, no, it's not working. And mate, can I just share a story with you? A friend of mine's been asking me for 12 months, when will interest rates fall? She's really worried about her home loan repayment situation, but she currently is in London. She's flying premium economy to London. So it kind of suggests to you that the interest rate rises haven't hurt a lot of people sufficiently to help bring services inflation down. And that, I think, is the core outlook or issue that the Reserve Bank really wants to see a solution to. Services inflation has to fall.
Peter Switzer, appreciate you coming on this morning. Thanks so much.
Cheers, mate.